First, download this to app. Links description box. Open VPN app. Click to con it. Add coming. Close it. Here see VPN is needed. Click link description box. For Capcut template. Redirected Capcut. Click to this icon. Template open Capcut. Here original video. Click to use template. Click to image icon. Select your photo. Finally ready your video. But audio missing. Click to export. Click to this icon. Exporting video. Click to done. Open a light motion app. Click to plus icon. Click to 9:16 ratio. Click to create project. Click to plus icon. Click to media. Select your video. Here your video added. Click to this icon. Down audio. Click plus icon. Click audio. Select your audio. Finally, audio added. Drage audio video downside. All completed. Click to this icon. Click to video. Click to export. Click to save. Your video ready.